Chapter number 6. Now, second part, we're going to see about median. Median. In median, we're going to use a formula. The formula is L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. L means lower limit. N means number of frequency, total number of frequency. CF means cumulative frequency, and F means the class selected frequency. H means distance between the class. So that we're going to see in our practice set 6.2. Here, question number 1. It is given here. The following table shows a classification of number of workers and the number of hours they work in software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. So here you can see daily number of hours and number of workers. So class, it is given over there 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16. Frequency, it is given 150, 50, 300, 50. We draw the cumulative frequency. We add one more column in that and draw cumulative frequency less than. So 150 we keep as it is. Then 150 plus 500, you get a 650. 650 plus 300, you get a 950. 950 plus 50, you get a 1000. So that is your sum of the frequency. Now select the class in that. So here you can say the N is 1000. So 1000 divided by 2 is 500. Okay. So the next part we can solve now. Here cumulative frequency which is just greater than or equals to 500 is 650. So the median class is 10 to 12 and the L is 10 and F is 500, CF is 150 and H is 2. So you select a median class 650 in the table. So then the things we apply in a formula. So how to apply in the formula? So now median, as you apply the formula, L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F, this one H, H means the difference of the class, that is 2. L is 10, N is 500, that you got it. Then upon 2, because it is 1000 divided by 2, you get a 500. CF is 150, F is 500. So 500 minus 150, that you get the 350, and 350 divided by 500. 350 divided by 500 and multiply by 2. So this you divide. 35 divided by 5. So you get a 7. And here you get a 10. So 7 divided by 10 is 0.7, which is multiplied by 2. So you get a 1.4. The 10 plus 1.4 is 11.4. So that is your median. This way we get the value for median. Hope that it is clear. Now we can see in the next class. Now we can start with the second one, but second one it is same as the first one, so you have to solve at homework. Now third one. The following table shows the classification of number of vehicles and their speed on Mumbai-Pune Expressway. Find the median of the data. So here you can see in the table average speed of the vehicles and number of vehicles is given. Now first we draw the table. So here you can see it is not a continuous class. So first you have to convert in continuous class. So 60 and 64. So you have to write 59.5 and 64.5. So these are the continuous class. First you have to change in continuous class. Then write down the frequency as it is. Then cumulative frequency less than type. So first you have to write down 10 as it is. Then 10 plus 34 is 44. 44 plus 55 you get a 99. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The middle one you have to select, that is the class. So above one is known as the CF. So 99 we select as the CF. Now total frequency, it is 200. So 200 divided by 2 is 100. So you get the n upon 2. Now cumulative frequency which is just greater than 100, so is 184. So now the next we can see how to solve this value. We can substitute in a formula. So L is 74.5, F is 85, CF 99, H is 5, median class that already you selected. Substitute in formula L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. L is 74.5, N upon 2 is 100, minus CF 99, F is 85 upon 5. So 1 upon 85 which is divided by 5, so you get 1 upon 17. So you get a 0.059 which is added with the 74.5. So you get a 74.559. So approximate your median value is 75. So this way we completed our median part and practice set 6.2. Now the next part we can see the practice set 6.3.